Okay, now I am going to solve medium practice question set. So here the first question is quantity A is x square minus y square and quantity B is x plus y. So if I factorize this one, then I will get x plus 1 x plus y into x minus y, and this is quantity A and this is quantity B, and this quantity B will be x plus y remains same. So what will happen if I divided this one with x plus y and this one also x plus y? So x plus y multiplied by x minus y divided by x plus y, and here I will get x plus y divided by x plus y. So look at this, here I will get only 1, and this x plus y and x plus y will be cut down, and I will get here x minus y. So here x and y are positive integer, and x and y both are positive and x is greater than y. So what is the condition here? So suppose x is greater than y, that's mean this one is positive but this is not equals to 1. How can I compare this one? X is greater than 1, so x is greater than 1 means this one is always a positive number, and this is not equals to 1 actually, because whenever suppose this can be 1 when suppose x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. In that case x is greater than y and you will get x minus y equals to 1. So this is a very special case, that's why I am get the equal sign. But in the most of the cases you will get x minus y is a very positive value if x is very if x has a larger value. In that case this x minus y is very positive value, and this is not equals to y. That's why I think this quantity A and quantity B cannot be determined. Okay, now the same types of question from here. So here root over x plus quantity A, root over x plus root over y, as well as root over x minus root over y, and the quantity B will be x minus y. So here if I consider this one is as A and this one as B, then A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So our formula will be a square minus b square, right? So I will get x minus y from here, and this one also x minus y. That's why these both are equal. So here they are equal. Here the question number 3. So 5a plus 3b equals to 2 into a minus 2 into b. So I will get from here 5a minus 2a plus 3b plus 2b equals to 0. Then 5a plus 5a minus 2a equals to 3a, and this one will be 5b equals to 0. Then the next one is 6a plus 4b equals to 12. So I am multiplying this number 1 equation with 2. Then I will get 6a plus 10b equals to 0. Then if I subtract this one, then I will get this 6a and 6a will be cut down, and I will get 6b equals to minus 12 and b equals to minus 6, right? So this b and this minus 5 is not equal, so they are not equal. So here they have given xy less than 0 and a by x less than b by y. Look here, xy, the multiplication of x and y is less than 0. That's why of course they are in both, they both are in opposite sign, right? Because if they are not in opposite side sign, in that case their multiplication cannot be less than 0. So that's why this xy is less than 0. So look at this, here you know that whenever any negative, suppose x is negative and y is positive, suppose you can assume x is positive and y is negative also. So we know from the inequality I have discussed in my in that playlist that where I think it was chapter 4, and the chapter is all about inequalities. In that chapter you will find that this characteristics that uh, if you multiply any negative number with any number, then the sign will be reversed. So suppose a by x, this one is multiplied with xy, and here b by y, this will be multiplied with xy, and this xy and this xy are negative, that's why this sign will be reversed. So this one will be this way. So this x and x will be cut down, then it will be ay less than this y and y will be cut down, this will be bx, right? So bx is greater than ay. So look at this, here bx is, so this quantity is greater than the first quantity. Now question number 5. Here you will get question number 5 is consider the function f of x equals to x square minus 5x for whose values a of for whose value of x f of x equals to 14. So this one equals to 14, right? So x square minus 5x minus 14 equals to 0. So x square 14 means 7 multiplied by 2 means 14. So minus 7x plus 2x minus 14 equals to 0. If I take common x from here, then I will get this one plus x minus 7 equals to 0. Then x minus 7, and here you will get x plus 2 equals to 0. So the value of x will be minus 2 and 7. So this 7 and which one minus 2. And lastly, the question number 6 is p by q whole square equals to 4. So p by q will be plus minus 2, right? Plus minus root over 4 means plus minus 2. So p equals to plus 2q as well as p equals to minus 2q. So you will get, you cannot determine this one because here they have given p equal only plus 2q, but it will as well as plus q and minus q. So it is not determined, it is not possible to determine. Now question number 7. So x plus 2y divided by 2x minus y equals to 2. So if I cross multiply this one, then I will get x plus 2y equals to 4x minus 2y, right? So x minus 4x plus 2y plus 2y equals to 0. Then I will get minus 3x plus 4y equals to 0. Then this value will be 3x minus 4y equals to 0, right? Then what I need to find out the value of x. The value of x will be 4y by 3. Just transfer this 4y in the right side, then divided by 3. Then I will get x equals to 4y by 3. So 4y by 3, this one will be our answer. Now the next one is x plus y whole square. This is number 8. X plus y whole square minus x square minus y square. Then I will get this one will be x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this one will be minus x square minus plus y square. Then I will get this x square and x square will be cut down, and I will get 2y square plus 2xy. So if I take common from here to y, then I will get y plus x, right? So this is our answer. Now question number 9. F of x equals to x square plus 4x minus 5. So x square, now middle term, I need to do middle term. X square plus 5x minus x minus 5. Then if I take common x, then x plus 5 and minus 1, then x plus 5. Here I will get x plus 5 and which one? X minus 1. So look at this. If I consider this one as an equation, then I will find out the value of x will be 1 and minus 5, right? So in these types of equation, whenever you need to find out the maximum value or minimum value. In that case, you need to put this value from, suppose x equals to minus x equals to 1. Then suppose let me start from x equals to minus 5. So x equals to minus 5, then x equals to minus 4, then x equals to minus 3, x equals to minus 2, x equals to minus 1, x equals to 0, x equals to 1. Now I am going to find out for x equals to minus 5 what is the value of y. If I put here minus 5, then minus 5 means 25 minus 20. 5 minus 5 means 0. So if I put here minus 4, then I will get 16 minus 16, 0 minus 5. So this one will be minus 5. If I put here minus 3, then minus 9, sorry, plus 9 minus 12 means minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Then if I put here minus 2, then 4 minus 8 means minus 4 minus 5 means minus 9. If I put here minus 1, then I will get 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Then if I put here 0, then I will get 0 0 and minus 5, and this one will be 1. So 1 plus 4 means 5 minus 5 means 0. Okay, so what is the minimum value I have get here? Minus 9, right? So our answer will be minus 9. Okay, now question number 10. Question number 10. So this question is x plus y less than 0 and y minus x greater than 0. If I reverse this sign, then or multiply both sides with -1, then this sign will be reversed and this one will be x minus y greater than 0. And sorry, whenever you multiply with minus number, then this sign will be reversed, less than -0. So x plus y less than -0, x well as x minus y less than -0. If I add these two, then 2x less than 0, then x less than 0, right? So x less than 0. If x less than 0, that means x is negative. So any negative number plus positive number less than 0 means this is more negative if I compare with y. And here, if this one is negative, then minus minus plus. So here you need to put here this y is more negative. That's why you cannot determine the y. Sometimes it is more it can be positive, sometimes it can be more negative, because in that case if x is more negative, then it is a positive number. If this one is positive, then it can satisfy. That's why this number 10 cannot be determined. Okay, it cannot be determined. Now number 11 is the product of AB by C and BC. B by CD, these are negative, their product is negative. So A multiplied by B square divided by C square D. Look, these are, look here, this B square by C square are positive, because B square by C square, they are positive. Why? Because they are square number, that's why they are positive. So the remaining parts is A by D. They must be negative, because you need to produce negative here. So how can I produce negative from this fraction? Suppose A is positive or D is negative. On the other hand, A is negative, D is positive. So you need to use opposite sign for A and D. So what is the answer here? A and D. A and D, they are opposite sign. If the total weight of the pumpkins in a pumpkin patch increase by a factor of 10, so let the total pumpkin number of pumpkin is suppose 10, and total weight is suppose 20. Total weight is 20. So in that case, the average weight will be how much? Average weight will be 20 divided by 10 means 2, right? Here, in a pumpkin patch increased by a factor 10. So if the total weight is increased by factor 10, here total weight is 20. If this one is increased by factor of 10, then this will be 200. And the number of pumpkin is decreased by 20%. So number of pumpkin was 10, and this one is decreased by how much percent? 20%. So 10 minus 10 multiplied by 20%. So 10 minus 10 multiplied by 20 divided by 100. So this one and this one cut down, so the number of pumpkins are now 8, right? So now the average weight of the pumpkin will be 200 divided by 8. So the answer will be, if I cut down this one by 4, so 50, and this one will be 2, so this will be 25, right? Now this 25, this weight is for how much pumpkin? The lost pumpkin is 2, because initially the number of pumpkins was 10, now the number of pumpkin is 8. That's why this 25 is for 2. So the average weight of this 2 pumpkin is 12.5. So our answer will be 12.5. Now the next one will be 13. Number 13 will be this one. 13 will be, so 3c plus 2d equals to 8, and here c is less than -1, right? So which of the following could be the value of d? So value of d will be 8 minus 3c divided by 2d, right? Sorry, divided by 2. So here if I divided this 8 by 2, I will get 4 minus 3 by 2c. So I will get d equals to 4 minus 1.5c. So 1.5c means whenever you hear this c is less than -1, that means this c is negative, right? So this negative with uh, this negative with this negative, that means positive. So this one, suppose let me think about this something like this way: -1.5 into c is, the value of c is less than -1, right? so less than minus 1. So I can write this one 4, this minus plus 1.5, and this will be less than minus 1. So this will be minus plus 5, and this less than will be greater than. Whenever we perform this operation, this will be greater than, and this one will be how much? Minus plus 1.5. These types of operation we have learned in the inequality chapter. Those who have facing any problem, how I can write this one, you can go to my playlist where I have discussed inequality. So this one will be 4 greater than 5.5. So which value is greater than 5.5 here? So 5 for greater than 5.5 is only 6.5. So this one is our answer. Now question number 14. Here the question number 14 is, assume the function f of x defined as follows. So f of x equals to x minus 4 whole square plus root over x plus 3, then 5 divided by x plus 2. So for which of the following values of x is f of x is f of x is defined? So for which of the following values? Look, here you can put any value for x because this one is square, but here you cannot put any value which is less than minus 3, right? Because for less than minus 3, this value will be negative, and the value of root over of any negative number cannot be defined. As well as you can put here x equals to minus 2, because if you put here x equals to minus 2, in that case this will be 0. So yeah, you need to place the value uh, which of the following value is defined. Okay, so firstly you have to put the value of which one x is greater than, here must be minus 3. X is greater than minus 3, right? So x is, you must put here x is greater than minus 3. So let us suppose minus 2, minus 1 in that case, and you cannot place here minus 2. So greater than minus, this one is less than minus 3, that's why this one is not correct. This one is not greater than minus 4 is not greater than minus 3, this is not correct. This is all you can put minus 3, because whenever you put here minus 3, then this one is 0, that's why it is right. You cannot put minus 2 because here this one is undefined. And lastly number E, minus 1. Yes, minus 1 is greater than minus 3, that's why you can put this value also. So our correct answer is C and E. Okay, now question number 15. Yeah, in a sequence a1 a2, each term is defined an equals to 1 by 2 to the power n. Which of the following expression represents the sum of the first 10 terms? Suppose first term is 1 by 2 to the power 1, right? So this one 1 by 2, and the second term will be 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. If I sum these two, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, then I will get 4, 2 plus 3 by 4. Then the third term will be 1 by 2 cube means 1 by 8, then 3 by 4. If I add this 3 term, then I will get 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. Then this one is 8, this one is 6 plus 1 7. So look, here I have get a pattern. So for the 10th term, then I will get, here look, here this one is this 8, this 7 is here, and this 8 come from 2 to the 3. And how does this 7 came? This 7 comes by, if I write down this way, 2 to the 8 minus 1, or sorry, 2 to not 2 to the 8, 2 to the 3 minus 1. Then I am using this pattern. So this for third term n equals to 3, and I am writing here 2 to the power 3 minus 1 divided by 3. For 10 term the answer will be 2 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 10. So which one? Uh, if I simplify this one, then my answer will be 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 to the power 10 means 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 10, right? So this one our answer. Now question number 16. Here the given inequality is 4 less than modulus less than 9, right? So here this one is distance. That's why I need to distance. I need to consider this one something like for positive as well as negative value, because modulus of any positive number and negative number both produce positive value. That's why if I place the value for x is -8, then modulus of -8 will be 8. This 8 is under this relation, as well as -7 is 7, -6 is 6, -5 is 5. I cannot put here -4 because they didn't give here minus sign. That's why similarly for positive number, this 8, 7, this one is 6, and this one is 5, right? So here the first question is the absolute value of the smallest integer. Here the smallest integer is which one? -8, and the absolute value of this smallest integer is 8, and the number of integer in set A. Here the total number of elements in set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are equal. So these are equal. Now question number 17. Question number 17. X and y both are positive. Hey, it is very easy. X plus y, they are positive. That's why this one is positive. And this one is also there. X is positive, y is positive. If I subtract this one, then sometimes it will, if x is greater than y, in that case it will produce positive number. If y is greater than x, in that case it will produce negative number. But here they will always produce, because this x is positive, y is positive. That's why their sum is also positive, and it will always produce positive number. So this is always positive, always greater than. So quantity A is always greater than quantity B. And the number question 18. If the average of x and y equals to 40, so average means x plus y, this is 18, x plus y by 2 means 40, so this one is x plus y equals to 80, and the average of y plus z is equals to 60, so y plus z by 2 equals to 60, then this one will be y plus z equals to 120, and the average of x, y and z equals to 30, so x plus y plus z divided by 3 equals to 30, so x plus y plus z equals to 90. So x plus y plus z equals to 90, divide my x plus y equals to 60. If I subtract this one from the first one, then I will get this and this will be cut down, this and this will be cut down, z equals to 10. So the value of z equals to 10. So here y plus z equals to 120. So y plus 10 equals to 120. Then y equals to 110. So here y equals to 110, z equals to 10, and what is the value of x? I will get x equals to 80 minus 110 means minus 30. So then the average of y and z, average of, sorry, x and z. So the value of x is minus 30, and the value of z will be 10 divided by 2. Our will be minus 20 by 2 means minus 10. Okay. Now the next one, 19, question number 19. A customer purchased pickles and onions from a local procedure store. If an onion costs 3 times much than the pickle, suppose a pickle's value, um, a pickle's cost is 2 taka, and onion is, in that case onion will be 6 taka, right? So how much they have, if onion costs 3 much time pickle, which two from there have the equal same cost. So 9 onions means here 9 multiplied by 6 plus 3 multiplied by 2. 7 onion means 7 multiplied by 6 plus 5 pickles means 5 multiplied by 2. 7 onion means 7 multiplied by 6 plus 9 multiplied by 2. 5 onion means 5 multiplied by 6 plus 12 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 6 as well as 14 multiplied by 2. Then I will get, this one will be 6 plus 64. 6 plus 64 means 60. This one will be 10 plus 42, 52. This one is 42 plus 18 means 42 plus 18 means 60. This one is 30 plus 24, 54. This one is 30 plus 28 means 58. So this one and this one are equal. So which case number A and which one number C are equal. And here the last question is on question number 20. X square minus 10x plus 13k. What if if one of the solution of the equation is x equals to 4? Now place the value x equals to 4, replace this x with 4 plus 13 equals to k. This one is 16 minus 40 plus 13 equals to k. Then I will get what is the value of k here. So 16 plus 13 means, so the value of k is minus 11. Now let me solve this one. Minus 10x plus 13 equals to minus 11. Then I will get x square minus 10x plus 24 equals to 0. Then I will get x square minus 6x minus 4x plus 24 equals to 0. If I take common x, then I will get this one minus 4, then x minus 6 equals to 0. Then I will get x minus 6 and x minus 4 equals to 0. Then I will get x equals to 4, 6. So our answer will be 4 and 6. So I have completed this medium practice question set. Thank you so much.